Good morning, everybody. Today is the last day at Düsseldorf, and of course I already checked out. I'm just going to go for a walk. So of course in Germany trains are not working for some reason. So I need to take the tram, then I need to take the S-Bahn, and from there I will be able to take the train. So I have to go to Mönchengladbach. Okay, so now I have like 4 minutes to get the S-Bahn. The U-Bahn is like an underground metro system, and the S-Bahn is more like a rapid rail system, kind of a suburban rail. I took the wrong stairs. Damn it. Oh shit, I made it. Where's that other stair even going to? There it is. So now I have to wait like 40 minutes. So I guess I can walk the city a bit. I don't have anything else to do. So that was a waste of time. There's nothing in the city, and I forgot that Sunday, so everything is closed. I think the train station must be the most lively place in the city. Everything looks really good, so I don't know what I will take. And finally Venlo. So the next train is delayed, and I will have to wait like 12 minutes. I'm at Eindhoven and I need to kill 12 minutes. The next train will take me to Rotterdam. So they finished the decoration. We are back to Rotterdam. And now I'll take the tram and head back home. This is all for today.